How to use Outlook's focused inbox for better email management. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Outlook's focused inbox is a feature designed to help you prioritize your most important emails by automatically sorting them into two tabs. First one is focused and the other. This makes it easier to focus on emails that matters the most while keeping less important ones out of sight. If you click on the Focus tab, it will only show you those messages or emails that are important or those that deems important based on your email habits. Other contains less important emails such as newsletters, promotions, or emails from sender you rarely interact with. So to make sure that you have both of the tabs, you need to go to your settings and then from the menu or the settings and mail section, toggle on the focus inbox. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.